We've got a piece of tile that we need to put down, but it's slightly too long, so we're going to use a tile cutter.
So what I'm doing right now is I'm marking the piece I'm going to cut off. This is an original cut-off piece from the floor, so I need to cut this off. I'll see if I can do it. This is a $20 tile cutter that you can get from Home Depot. The way it works is you put it down just like that, and it has a diamond cutter on it. And you want to get this nice and square, line it up as best you can, and then you just push, and you're scoring a line. I do this a lot of times. It might be too small, might not. And then once you get a good score, you push down slightly. Okay, so I got part of it, and now I need to get the rest. See if I can get it to snap without breaking the whole piece. Okay, this is no good. Might have been too small of a cut. So I just have to grab a new piece. Using this, I can then square it up and then try again.
This is why it's important to buy more tile than you actually need.
Okay, so I'm going to put an X. I don't need this side, I need this side. So this side can get wrecked if I want.
Ooh!
Let's see if it fits.
Let's see if it fits. Ooh. Wee-wee.
So, playing with the spacing, I can make it work.
Hooray!
The next step is to add the butter and then put it in.
All right. And that's how you cut tile in order to make it fit.